This is Vrushali from VrushuRaj Classes. In this video, we are going to start one important chapter of biology, that is life process. Now, what is this life process? Now, is this the only one single process which keeps us alive? No. There are different life processes which works hand to hand, we can say, to keep our life going on. So, in this series of videos, we are going to discuss all these life processes one by one. So here, first we are going to start with nutrition. Nutrition in human beings. That means in simple words, how your digestive system works exactly. We only have food. What happens to that food once it enters your digestive system? What changes takes place in that on the way? This will be explained to you in simple words and in a very simple manner. I request you all to watch this video till end.
We all know that there are two types of modes of nutrition, that is autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition means the organisms cannot prepare their own food. They depend on the other source for the nutrition. Let us come straight away to the nutrition in human beings. Nutrition in human beings is termed as holozoic nutrition, where the whole food is consumed and is broken down and digested with the help of enzymes. The food which we eat is complex in nature. This has to be converted to the simpler form. This job is done by the biological catalyst called as enzymes. Human digestive system is made up of alimentary canal. It starts with the mouth and ends at the anus. Digestion of our food starts in mouth itself. Here, the food which we eat, first of all, is broken down into smaller pieces by our teeth. At the same time, the saliva secreted by salivary glands mixes with the food. This makes the food soft, and this soft ball of food is called as bolus. Saliva contains the enzyme called as amylase. This converts starch to maltose. While the food passes through the esophagus, a flap called epiglottis, it closes the windpipe. This avoids the entry of food particles into the windpipe, and the food, it starts its journey towards the food pipe. After passing through the food pipe, the food enters the stomach. This is the organ where the food remains for maximum time, that is for 4 to 5 hours. The gastric glands present in the lining of the stomach secretes few enzymes which helps in the digestion of the food. The hydrochloric acid destroys the microorganisms present in the food. Mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach from the action of the acid. The enzyme called pepsin converts proteins to polypeptides. The renin enzyme converts milk proteins to curds. By the time the food leaves stomach, it is converted to semi-liquid form. This semi-liquid form of food is called as chyme. From stomach, the food slowly passes to the duodenum. Duodenum is the beginning part of small intestine. The movement of food to the duodenum is controlled by the muscles called as sphincter muscles. Here, the bile juice secreted by liver and the pancreatic juice secreted by pancreas gets added to the food. The bile juice emulsifies fats, while pancreatic juice contains two enzymes. Trypsin, it digests proteins, while lipase converts fats to simple fats. Now, the food enters the longest part of our digestive system, that is small intestine, which is almost 6 meters long. Here, few more enzymes secreted by the inner lining of the intestine are added to the food. This intestinal juice converts proteins to amino acids, it converts carbohydrates to glucose, and fats are converted to fatty acids and glycerol. There are numerous finger-like projections present in the inner walls of the small intestine. This increases the surface area for the absorption of the digested food. These finger-like projections are called as villi. These villi are rich in blood vessels. They absorb the digested food and carries to each and every cell of our body. After small intestine, the food enters large intestine, which is nearly 1.5 meter long. The villi present in large intestine, they absorb the water present in this undigested food. And lastly, the undigested food is thrown out of our body through anus. The movement of the food in the entire alimentary canal is controlled by the muscles present in the lining of the canal. This rhythmic movement of the muscles is called as peristaltic movement.
So I think by this time, how your digestive system works, or we can say how dedicatedly it works for you, is quite clear for you. So in the upcoming videos, we will be explaining all these life processes one by one. And so for that, if you are not yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe to get the regular updates of our videos. Thank you so much for watching.